Solo Traveler here. I've been thinking, do I want a new camera? Do I need a new camera? Did I buy a new camera? Yep, I did. I don't know why. All right, let's take a look at it anyway. It's gonna go like this, is it? Oh, hello. And I don't need this thing either. I don't think I'll ever use it, but it looks cool. There it is, the Ace Pro 2. All right, let's open this thing up. See what we got in the box. So one of the reasons that I bought this is it has even better low light capability. The Ace Pro has great, but this, they say, has a dedicated AI chip that helps make low light even better. Everything that you need. This has a nice little windscreen thing on it that I might use. Let's see what we have in here. Yeah, the usual silica gel that I'm not supposed to eat. And oh, look at this, some stickers and safety guidelines and all the stuff that you need for warranty, all the stuff, you know. All right. And a battery. And the new camera. So let me take a look now at this Explorer grip kit. This seems like it might be kind of nice to have. I really don't think I'm ever going to use it. All right, so there it is. Look, if nothing else, this is a nice cage for it. Reminds me a little bit of this Volta that I got for the GoPro. I used it once on one of my Disney World trips, and it was not convenient at all. I really didn't need the extra battery, all that stuff. It just didn't work. So I used it a couple of days. I didn't even use it on the whole trip and never touched it again. I have a feeling that that's what's going to happen here, except for this cage. I like the cage. So, you know, I don't know if I'm going to need everything else. Well, that was it. Very quick unboxing. I'm not going to put everything together and all that kind of stuff on this video. of the Insta360 Ace Pro number 2.